Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use QuickBooks Canada step by step. First, select a QuickBooks plan that suits your business, whether it's for one user or multiple. Next, create your company file, inputting crucial details like your business name and address. Then, connect your bank and credit card accounts for seamless transaction imports. Finally, customize your chart of accounts to precisely categorize all your income and expenses, ensuring accurate financial tracking from day one. Once set up, efficiently manage your cash flow. Create and send professional invoices to your customers, then easily track their payments. Input vendor bills and schedule them for timely payment, avoiding late fees. Categorize every transaction, from sales to supplies, ensuring your financial reports are always precise. Remember to reconcile your bank and credit card statements monthly, matching your records with the banks for complete accuracy. QuickBooks Canada simplifies payroll management. Set up your employees, process paychecks, and ensure all necessary deductions and remittances are handled correctly. Generate vital financial reports, such as the profit and loss statement, to see your business's performance over time. Review your balance sheet to understand your assets, liabilities, and equity. You can also create custom reports, providing tailored insights into specific areas of your business operations. Beyond the basics, QuickBooks Canada offers powerful advanced features. If you sell products, use inventory management to track stock levels and costs. For service-based businesses, track projects and job costs to analyze profitability per project. Integrate QuickBooks with hundreds of other business applications, from CRM to e-commerce, to streamline your workflow. Finally, always remember to regularly back up your data, safeguarding your financial information.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.